So, guys, in the midst of my beef with Walmart and trying to secure my funds back. Oh, look at my curls. They juicy than a motherfucker. But anyway, guess what came in the mail? Yeah. So let's get into it. I'm about to open the box. Hold on. Okay, so I got the box open. And then when you open the box, it comes with a booklet. You know, you got your warning label. But I worked at 4 Starbucks in a Peak Coffee, so I don't need that. And then you got your booklet from Mr.Coffee, the ice machine. It talks about the instructions, the little repairs, stuff like that. Then you get a little recipe card, and I actually use these syrups. My favorite one is the vanilla and the caramel. If y'all want to donate, my Venmo is in bio. And I also use their actual white mocha syrup, the drizzle, fire. But I use the Ghirardelli's caramel. So let's get this box open. I'm so excited. Because if anybody knows, I cut back on Red Bull. And now I'm back on my coffee kick. And I don't have a Starbucks near my house now. So it comes with a tumbler. Ooh. Ew. And inside the tumbler, it has like a little measuring cup. What? Y'all think of everything. And the coffee maker itself. So, if y'all want to see me make iced coffee, be prepared. Content coming soon. Content coming soon, baby. So, let me open this. Hold on. Okay, so I got it open. This is what the inside look like. I read that you can literally... Oh, this is the reservoir. This is, I think, where you put your water. I did read that you can switch out the basket and put paper ones in there. Okay. This is the tumbler that it comes with. And it comes with its own little scoop. I have to read the directions though. It comes with the little button. And the little start button. It seems pretty simple. I got it on Amazon during Black Friday for $19.99. Hey guys, this is my Mr.Coffee iced coffee machine. It comes with this tumbler. The tumbler comes with a lid and a straw. I like making my iced coffee in advance, like the night before. But I forgot to make it last night, okay? Sometimes I forget to empty the grounds. We're going to forget about that. Just know, like, I use it really good. So this is a good time to show y'all how easy these grounds is to clean. Alright? Alright. So I just tap. Voila. Rinse. And I don't use a filter or anything. Because if I'm not mistaken, look, it's clean. Now, I don't know about y'all, but for the best coffee, I use bottled water. So, here go my bottled water. I fill it up to the max line. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can do this as they recommend. You can fill this thing all the way up with ice. You can brew your iced coffee, let it melt over the ice, it'll chill, and then you can add your like syrups and things like that and be good. You get what I'm saying? But I don't do it like that. I don't do it like that. I don't. Also, if you worried about measurements, yeah, I got an espresso machine. But this ain't the star of the show right now. This is Mr. Coffee. You get a little scoop. Alright. And then I let it brew. The little button on the side right there, I'm going to let it do its thing. You get what I'm saying? And what I do, I brew all that with iced coffee. All that with iced coffee. I let it chill. And then I have my iced coffee for like when I need it. I let it chill. And then I just add my fixings as needed. But you can most definitely fill it up with ice and brew your coffee every day. But see, no, I don't do it like that. I don't do it like that. I really don't. But when I say I love this thing, I love it. I don't have a Starbucks near my house. It's a wonderful feeling. I recommend you get you one of these. I most definitely recommend it. Best thing in the world. However you decide to brew it. Okay, bye.